Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle Johns, and I am going to be discussing in this video how to create a squeeze page using the free blog you get when you sign up for our daily real estate sessions, live talking with sellers, or the lead generation and internet marketing session. Either one of those. When you get or get involved with any one of those sessions, you're going to be getting a free blog slash website, whatever you want to call it, and you can use this for multiple different things, whatever niche you're in. And but I'm going to keep this pretty short, pretty simple, to the point. Tonight, I'm not going to explain the full functionalities of the blog. I'm going to be discussing how to create the squeeze page. So this is what there's multiple different skins or themes, I guess, that you can use. This is what mine looks like. This may not be what yours looks like initially, but you can play around with it. What we're going for is something that's going to look like this. Again, this is just a quick, easy way to get a squeeze page up for sellers for real estate. You can use this for any types of squeeze page. With this, this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do. And then again, this is what mine looks like. You can design yours any way you want. So, all right. So let's see. This is the home screen here. Once you're logged in and you're editing your blog, you're going to click the little plus sign at the top left-hand corner. Go over to page customization, and you're going to add a page. Alright, so whatever is going to be at the top of the page is what you're going to type here, so make sure you have it all capitalized and the way that you want it to look. We're going to cover the market, so I'm just going to go ahead and create one for the Atlanta market. Alright, and I'm actually going to mirror image the other squeeze page that we had created. So give me 1 second to pull that up. Alright. So first things first, we're going to have a header image here. I actually have that on file. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in. All you do, click the picture button here. As you can see, this is very, very simple. You're just going to be clicking, pretty much clicking and dragging, clicking and selecting files from your computer. Nothing crazy about it. Alright. So go ahead and add that on. I always want my, for this particular type of page, I'm going to go ahead and get my font centered. Alright. So I'm just going to copy this right here. And I mean, you're more than welcome to copy my page. You can actually take this video, you can screenshot this header, it's no problem, and actually mirror image this for yourself. Let's see. Alright. For the video, all you have to do is right click, copy embedded code. Again, you're going to click on this little picture or mountain range looking type deal. Upload a video. Just keep it in the embedded from URL. Go ahead and paste that. Oop, you must not have copied. Alright, there we go. Go ahead and paste that in and add your media. So as you can see, this is kind of a small little area that they give you to view this, but it'll look fine once we save it. Alright. Again, just copying and pasting. Very simple. You can make, play around with this if you want this to be bold, or do this actually bold and underlined. This is all right. Now for this text down here, again, copy and paste. You see how fast this can be done. I mean, this is very, very simple. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so now that you have like the base of the page created, there's a couple other things that go into this. You should have some type of, well, I mean, I'm using GetResponse. Again, I just want to keep this as simple as possible. But you should have something to where you are collecting emails or some type of program where you can create web forms or some type of landing page, because I will show you here for this. When a seller sees this, wherever you're getting sellers from, you're driving them to this page. When they click here, it needs to take them to something to collect their information. Okay, and this is a very, very simple form. I mean, nothing special about it. Name, number, email, property address, asking price. This way, you have a little bit of information on the seller when they enter their information. You have two ways to get back in touch with them. What this will also do is it almost acts as like a double opt-in, so the leads are definitely qualified. They're going to click here to go to the next page. When they get here, they're going to go ahead and enter all their information that it asks for, and get their offer. All right. So like I said, I use GetResponse for this. Very simple. And I will show you quickly again how to create a web form. All right. So I'm not going to go through exactly how to use GetResponse. That'll be in another video that I do. But for this one, you're just going to be in the campaign that you've created for this specific squeeze page. You're going to create a web form. This is the generic style of their web form. I take off the header, the footer. All you have to do is click down here at the bottom. Again, very easy. I take the privacy, powered by, all of that. All right. Now, just for this, again, the sake of this video, we're going to make this very simple. All right, we're going to have their name. We're going to get their email. Right here, you're going to add a new field. You're going to label it number. Text field, single choice. Don't worry about any of this. Click required and apply. All right, you are going to add another field here. Single choice, required, apply. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and complete this, but I'm going to show you how it works. You can click and drag. You just keep your mouse over here. Okay. You can arrange these any way you want. Let's see. You'll also see once you've clicked, just click anywhere in the in one of these boxes, and it'll pull up the position. If you want it to look just like that, that's fine. If you want your your headings here to the side, you can do that. You can resize. All you do is just click and drag. Very easy. All right. You're going to edit your button here. All right. And you're going to add one more field. Alright, so there you go. Probably make this a little bit bigger. So, alright, so now that you have your form set up, you're going to take it over to the next step. You can rename your web form. Alright, you want to keep these both off. You can choose whatever you want here. I would like, just because it's a squeeze page for the seller, I don't want them to think I'm collecting their emails or anything like that. So I just click stay on the current page. Again, choose whatever one you want there. Alright, and for the sake of using this link, you want to choose here GetResponse is going to host my web form, and you're going to use this link right here. Alright, so just copy that. Now when you're back over here on your page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says click here to get your offer. You're going to highlight that and click this button right here to link. Alright, you're going to link that to your URL right there. Copy and paste it in. Alright, so now when they click here, you'll see it changes to a blue link. When they click here, it's going to take them to your page, to the page that actually allows them to enter their information. Alright, and again, you can play with all of this. You can change the color, the font, whatever you want there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and publish. It's going to ask you to do this. And again, you want to test your keywords for your area. This is just for the sake of this video. We're just keeping it quick. Alright. Make sure you enter all of those in. If you don't have Google Analytics set up yet, you don't have to enter that in, but everything else needs to have something. And if you try to go ahead and move forward without entering any information, it will stop you. So just try to research good keywords for whatever your market is, whatever you're doing, whatever type of squeeze page or page you're creating. Research what's good for you and go ahead and fill that out. Alright, so once you go ahead and click submit, it's going to bring you back to this screen here, which is your page customization drop down, and you can go ahead and click your link here and test and see what your page looks like, if it looks correct. Alright, so here you go. We buy houses Atlanta, we buy houses fast, any condition, any situation, any problem, guaranteed cash offer within 48 hours. You have your video. Everything plays.
Do you need to sell your home, a piece of land, or commercial?
Alright, that's good. Everything looks good here. And then your link, you want to check your link. Alright. Click your link, and there's your form. Alright. So the last thing that you want to do, and this is not something that you have to do, but just to look a little bit more professional, you don't want to send them to, you know, this link. You don't want to have all of this whenever you're saying, you know, visit this site. If you're in Atlanta, or if you're in Philadelphia, or whatever, again, whatever your squeeze page is for this, it's going to be something along the lines of We Buy Houses, Atlanta, Sell My House Fast, Atlanta, Kyle Buys Houses, Atlanta, whatever you want to, whatever your domain name, whatever you want your domain name to be. Again, you can buy your domains from wherever you want. I choose to buy most of mine from GoDaddy. So this is going to be in your, like once you sign up your account, you'll have this same screen. It's kind of your home screen. I'm not going to buy a domain here. I'm going to show you how to link a domain. Okay. So this is going to be some of the domains that I have from GoDaddy. You're going to, once you buy it, you will see all of this. Again, not going to go through all of that. But once your domain is bought and you have everything set up there, you kind of have like your back office of your domain here. All right. So say you bought the domain, you know, Sell My House Fast Atlanta, and that's what you want to show up. You know, that's what you want to send people to. That's what you want to send your traffic to, your sellers. Well, you're going to come right here to manage. Okay, you don't need to worry about hosting with the blog/website that you get, because it has its own hosting. You don't have to worry about that. So all you need to do is buy a domain, a one-time domain from like GoDaddy. It's like $12, and you will own that domain for the length of time that you purchase it for, and you'll be able to go ahead and forward. Anytime someone visits that domain, it will forward them to your link. And the way that you do that is you just click right here in forwarding. You want to manage how you forward your domain. So you can see I have this one set up to another website. Whenever someone types in rentingtobuy.net, it brings them to this link right here. Okay. So once you're updating your forwarding, all you want to do is make sure you just copy. You don't want to have the HTTP twice. You want to make sure it just looks just like this. So you're just going to copy, let's see, this link right here. And you're going to paste it right into here. Alright, again, go back, check, delete this right, the HTTP, and then you would press edit. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to switch this one up. But once you do that, it takes probably about 30 minutes to an hour to load, and then every time somebody types in the domain, it's going to send them directly to this page. So I hope this helps you guys as far as setting up a squeeze page using the free blog/website. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, let me know. You can shoot me an email or get in touch with me through the website, and we'll get that figured out for you. All right.